I just want to show you a quick fix to a problem like this. And this type of problem, a lot of retouchers or people who change background, when they select their subject, they face this type of problem, whereby when they select the subject, the background also is selected too, and they try to blend it to the background, and it takes their time. It can take a lot of time and a lot of process, and sometimes you don't even get the best result. So they tend to look for background that match that particular color, and so that it won't be noticed. But today that problem will be fixed with just one action. Now I'm going to show you with different example. We're going to use this background. I copied R from this background, and we can also paste on this background, so it works on any background anyway. So we're going to start with any of the background. Just select the layer, make sure this layer is selected. Your subject is already selected from the background. Okay, so once you do that, you can turn every other thing on, whichever, I don't care. But so we're going to run the action now. This is the action, which is in the description, so you can see where you can get it in the description, like I said. So I'm just going to play it, and it's going to run quickly. And once it's run, it's going to turn off every other layer. You can turn it back on the ones you lock. So let's just start with this first one, and we're going to blend it. All we just need to do is to make sure the foreground color is black, and we can paint, or you can reduce the flow. The flow is turned to 70, and you can just paint. You can use a soft brush, and once you start selecting, you start removing that from. Make sure you blend it very well. So I'm just going to take my time and just finish blending. Now, if it does not matter which of the background you select, if I turn this off, it's going to fit in into this background as well. You can see. So it's just a quick fix to any of this problem. And before I finish this one, I want to show you what you can also do if it doesn't match immediately. So quickly, I'm just going to do this. Alright, so for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to be fast with whatever I'm selecting, and let's do for this one, this particular one, whichever one you don't want, you can just quickly fix that, and you can take your time anyway. Let's do it for the hair. So like I said, and now sometimes you get this dark, which won't actually blend anyway. So what you just need to do when you get things like this is to come inside this one, the subject blend, and make sure you adjust the brightness. So once you start adjusting the brightness, you can see that it will just blend itself like that. So you can adjust whatever you want to adjust. You can just keep doing it and something like that. So let's go back down. You can decrease your opacity anyway, but you see that's all of all those, they're gone. So once you start painting, you bring them back. So that's how to make sure you're doing the right thing. So like I said, just adjust the brightness till you feel you have more of the cloth inside of it. So you can see the difference between before and after. Now the cloth is even showing the more. You can see. So that's because I adjusted, I changed the brightness, which you can turn off. You can see. Once you turn it off, you see what's going on inside, and once you turn it on, you see what's going on inside. So whichever one you want to use, either this or that. And there we go with your background. So you can use this one as well, and you can see how beautiful it's looking. Okay, so if you like the action, let me know in the comment section. You can also just come back to this, turn it back on, and blend it very well. You can see what's going on there. Alright guys, I wish this is helpful. I know this is helpful. Just let me know in the comment section if you find this one helpful. So let's come back to this, and let me just finish that up. Okay guys, so this is what we have. Thank you. If you've been, like I said, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.